doing different things, grabbing things, scooping things. We got a mudslide today, and also a couple of trees down that we've cut up through our overtime calls and just our natural daily basis. So we're just out here picking up our piles, keeping the road open, just trying to make it safe, get all this debris off the road for the main part. Every day you could come into something totally different. Every day you're expecting trees down, but then you got to slide somewhere on the cross town. It's never guaranteed which direction you're going to go that day, but you're always going to be busy for sure. Be outside, get to move heavy equipment. You got good camaraderie with our guys, so it's a good atmosphere.